What is the quintessence of freedom for many RV enthusiasts? For many, it's boondocking. Camping without hookups, often in the most serene and scenic locations, far from the hustle of traditional campgrounds. But this unique way of life comes with its own set of responsibilities. A code of conduct, if you will. Today, we're exploring the 10 Commandments of Boondocking. First up, leave no trace. This is the golden rule of boondocking. Leave your spot better than you found it. Pack out what you pack in, dispose of waste properly, and minimize your impact on the natural environment. Second, respect the 14-day rule. Most public lands have a 14-day stay limit within a 28-day period. Adhering to this rule ensures compliance with regulations and fosters a spirit of shared opportunity. Third, conserve water. In the wild, water is a precious commodity. Every effort to conserve it, be it using biodegradable soap or catching water while waiting for it to heat up, extends your stay and reduces your footprint. Fourth, minimize noise pollution. The tranquility of nature is a significant draw for boondockers. Keep noise to a minimum to uphold this serenity. Fifth, be energy efficient. Solar panels, LED lights, energy-efficient appliances, and good insulation all contribute to conserving your energy reserves. Moving on to the 6th commandment, practice safe fire habits. Use existing fire rings, never leave a fire unattended, and fully extinguish your fire before leaving. 7th, respect wildlife. Store food securely, keep a safe distance from animals, and never feed wildlife. Mutual respect ensures your safety and the well-being of the animals. 8th, keep a low profile. The less you disturb the land, the more you'll enjoy its untouched beauty. 9th, be a good neighbor. A sense of community goes a long way in remote locations. Share your knowledge and experiences, but also respect others' privacy. 10th and last, plan and prepare. Boondocking requires a level of self-sufficiency and preparation that can turn a potential disaster into a memorable adventure. In summary, these 10 commandments of boondocking serve as a guide to maintaining a harmonious relationship with nature, fellow travelers, and oneself. They promise not just an epic adventure, but a sustainable way of life that respects the great outdoors. So, whether you're a seasoned boondocker or just starting out, let these commandments guide your journey into the wilderness. Happy boondocking!